All right. Yeah. Anyway, I'm deploying extension cord and stuff. I got to get another extension cord. We're all involved in this. We had this other one move out here too, right on the end. Except, you know, he left the place a shambles, and a bunch of shit broken. And, you know, the walls all beat up and the floor fucked up from his dog.
The same as when we moved in. You know, I mean,
yeah, that's good.
But, you know,
all this trash is outside.
Yeah. So, and it's all sellable stuff. You know, it's all fucking recyclable.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
you know, so
if you know, they're talking about leaving, but you know, it's just as easy. I'll go through it.
I'm gonna take
as easy as bringing it.
I'm gonna take trash cans down.
Just the trash, but recyclable shit.
Yeah.
We just go boom right here, and I'll go through it and say, you know, along with this shit, you know. And I need to take time.
It's all on the outside, so I'm gonna take trash cans down.
Someday, if I get a few years to mess, you know, nobody wants anything from me. I might get caught up on all this work.
Yeah, I like that desk, man.
Yeah, that's my official. That's the official desk.
That's pretty nice of it.
Here, can I put you on a camera? Recording, okay. Irene was a neighbor. Anyway, that desk over there is my official office desk for the Public Space Association, which you're a member of, and Irene's a member of, and the ant on the ground you're stepping on there is a member of also. What was that?
So do you want your phone broken, Ronnie?
What? Oh.
She don't like to do it.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll blur your face when I publish it. How about that? Well, I'll publish it, but I'll blur your face and edit the audio. I'll put a little music in the segment. I'll blur your whole body.
There you go.
Yeah. You'll blur out her whole body, and then we can publish. All right. Yeah.
We'll be back shortly to get it.
Okay. Okay.
Gas looks like turpentine.
Oh, that's probably why I don't even want to run. It might have nothing to do with the fuel. If the fuel pumps, you know, it might be gummed up.
Yeah,
is why. It might not even have anything to do with electricity.
Yeah, I think the injector is probably flawed.
Yeah.
As long as I put gas in it, it'll run.
Yeah. Anyway, so if you're gonna have it towed, what's the TETA?
I don't know. She's checking on it now.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'll keep an eyeball. I'll make sure only what tow company you're gonna use.
Maybe a friend.
Huh?
Maybe a friend.
Maybe a friend. Okay. Well, see, that kind of, it could be anybody coming to get it. I don't know who they are.
No, we'll be with them.
Oh, you'll be with them. Okay. All right. And if anybody else comes besides you guys, I'll kick their ass. Or asses, plural. Both butt cheeks.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay. The rest will keep in the house. Mr. Speed Demon. Mr. Speed Demon. You know what? You know what we have for all the Speed Demons? said, look, go fast. We have 10 times light speed. That's right. When you combine, I'm going to shy away from terminologies that are poo-poo. When you have biasing forces and you create an electromagnetic field around something with a biasing of forces, it tends to move in space-time from that biasing of forces. I guess I think that's called the Beefy-Brown effect. Something like that. There's others that messing with it. Anyway, and you combine that with also the biasing of forces that are created from motion, kinesis, then you have the key to break over the barrier of light speed. Huh? What do you think? That's what Johnny 10 times the light speed says. That's how he does it. All right. Okay, we gotta open up this trailer and put this stuff right away. Put the frozen in the frozen, or that hamburger in the fridge. It could start defrosting. Here. Okay, back to the job, man. All right, let's go. Hey, how you doing? How's it been going?
Everything's going great.
Good. Hey, Gary. Just working on this trailer over here. You know, so you want to be a landlord stuff. So you life recycled stuff, recycling everything in the process, making demonstration about where all the crap that I got here came from. Number 6, right on the other side of Brenda here. Well, let's go. We got to run this extension cord. We got stuff to do. Well, we'll see you later. We're busy. In action. Yeah, meet up with me a little later. We can do a head adjustment. Yeah, I'm going to be due for one soon. Yeah. All right. We'll go get a few things done, and it'll be time for a head adjustment. Head adjustment. A head adjustment. A behind adjustment. A head adjustment. Oh, that rubber is going to be good shaking up by the time I get back to it. Hey, Sabrina! Quit it! Be nice. We don't know who that is. Lives somewhere. Oh, lives next door. Leave him alone. Don't pick on him. It's because he's smaller than you. Oh, chasing back into his own yard. That's a good one. That's what you were doing? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I got on your case. Just running the neighborhood. I forgot. You were just doing what you do, huh? Just taking care of business.